In this video today, we're going to be installing a new screen protector on this flip phone here. You can see the other one has failed across the middle here. So we're going to take it out of the case and we're going to remove the old screen protector and we're going to give it a nice, good clean, ready for the new one. Now we're going to get the cover. Number 1 is going to go up the top. It says top here. And number 2 is going to go on number 2 there. And we've got the locational area here that we're just going to press down on. Now we're lifting it up from the top. And you've got to bring it all the way down to here, that angle there, while using this underneath it, and it's going to flip up the little protective cover that's on there. So I'm starting at this red line here, and I'm pushing down. And can you see now that that bit there is coming away? Like so. Now we have to do the same on this side and we're going to push down from here. I'm using a lot of force down on this bit. Now there's a few air bubbles around the place I'm not happy with, so I'm just lifting that bit and I'm just going to go over it again because I can see what I'm doing more. Okay, so there's less air bubbles than there was a minute ago, and then we're going to peel off this bit here. And there you go, you can now see that the protective cover's back on and it's looking nice. So although the instructions are a bit confusing, the actual process is quite easy, and this makes it very easy to line up. So it's a good idea with that. There's a tiny little air bubble just there, it's only very small, but you might find that that goes after a bit of time with the opening and closing. So there we have it, looks much better. Thanks for watching.